With the recent announcement from Instagram and their shift towards growing their Instagram shopping platform, it's more important than ever to set your e-commerce brand up for success. My name is Fardis, I'm one of the founders here at Pyxel Media, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step guide on setting up your Facebook and Instagram shop. Let's jump straight into it. Okay, so the first step that you want to take is to link your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Now, in order to do this, you go onto your business Facebook page, and on the left-hand side, you scroll down to Settings. Now, once in your settings, on the left-hand side, there's a section here for Instagram. Just go ahead and click that. Now, you see a section up here where you can connect your account. Now, you need to make sure that your Instagram account is a business page and it is on public. If we go connect account, click continue. You enter your login details here. So I've already got my login details for Pyxel Media set up, and that should go through. So if we just give it a minute or two. There we go. So now our Instagram account is synchronized to our Facebook account. Okay, so the second step that we want to do is to set up the Facebook shop in Facebook Business Manager. So first thing that we're going to do is go to our Business Manager page, so business.facebook.com. Now, once you're in here on the dashboard, at the top left, click on this button here, and you'll see a section here that says Commerce Manager. Now you click on that, and that will bring you to the commerce side of Facebook. Now, in order to set up your shop, what you need to do is at the top here, click on Add Shop. And then this will pretty much do a step-by-step walkthrough. Now, if you've got a Shopify platform, you can do it directly through the Shopify platform. It is a fast and easier way, and Shopify will take you through the steps in order to do that. So you click on Sync a Partner Platform in order to do that. But today I'm just going to show you the basic side of it in doing it in the e-commerce side, where you manually enter the products yourself. Whereas if you sync your WooCommerce or your Shopify platform, it will add all the products from your website to your Facebook shop. So that way you can either check out from your Facebook shop or go straight to your website where customers can check out there. So I'll walk you through here. So what we do is click on Next. So you got here, you can check out on another website or check out with Facebook and Instagram. So we're just going to check out on another website. That way when customers click on your product, it will take them directly to the product on your website. So click Next. So I've got sales channels, we've got Pyxel Media here. That's the accounts that we want to set up the shop for. Click Next. So your business email address, if we just go office at Pyxel Media. And this is a section where you start building your products. So as you can see here, we don't have a Shopify platform for us, so there's no products here. You can create a catalog, and let's just leave it as it is and click Next. Where do you sell your products? So if we go to our website, pyxelmedia.com.au. Yeah, that's all good. Shipping, Australia, and then we'll click Next. And this is just a preview of what it will look like. Obviously, we haven't added any products in, so there's 0 products there. But once that's done, then you can click Finish Setup. I'm not going to do that today. So you click there, and then you click Finish Setup. And that will be the first point in setting up your shop on Commerce Manager through Facebook and Instagram. Now, once you have done that and submitted it for review, it takes 24 to 48 hours for your Facebook and your Instagram shop to be set up. Now, you can change the theme through the Commerce Manager, so you can have the colors on your Instagram and your Facebook shop to match your brand colors. Now, one mention that I will make is that one thing that may be beneficial for organic reach is to incorporate your Instagram shop and your products within Reels. So if you post Reels, tagging your products within those Reels will greatly increase the chances of your videos and your shop showing up in front of people that aren't necessarily following your brand. Now, if you have any questions or need any assistance setting up your Facebook and Instagram shop, feel free to DM us or email us at inquiries@pyxelmedia.com.au. Take care.